Hi guys, this is a quick video I wasn't expecting to do that I'm making on my iPad, so it's going to look a little different. I've got it propped up on a chair. I'm getting over my foot surgery. Here's my surgical boot. I had a really cool picture of the neuroma that was taken out of my foot. I don't know if I should splice it in here because a lot of you might think it's gross. I thought it was really cool. I asked the doctor to take a picture of it for me. I actually asked if I could be, since you get a nerve block before they cut into your foot, could I be awake to watch it? Because I just think this sort of thing is so cool. I know I'm weird. Like anything science-y, or I love it. He said, no, you have to be asleep for this. So I was asleep for the surgery, but he did take a picture of the neuroma for me. And it's out of my foot. So I'm a few days past the surgery. I can do limited walking in my surgical shoe. And I'm bored stiff. The foot that was operated on is my right foot, so I can't even escape by going to drive somewhere because that's the foot I drive with. So it's going to be a number of weeks before I can drive again. Let's hope everything goes well. Anyway, I got something in the mail today. I completely forgot I ordered this. And this is the second set of these I ordered. So I'm going to share them with you. These are pillows. Well, they're awfully flat pillows, aren't they? They're not flat pillows. This is from Amazon, an Amazon store called Decor. And these pillows are made in the USA. They come really flat. You can get them soft, medium, or hard. Now I'm going to try to open to show you what happens to these things. Ooh, take a look. All of a sudden, do you see how quickly it's poofing up? They're compressed in the bag, and then they poof up, and these will poof up for a few hours. I really like these pillows. I have one other set. Oh my gosh, it's poofing up by the second. I'm going to open the second one. Do you see how flat that was when it started? Now this is the medium weight, and actually this feels different than the last set I had. The last set I had felt a little firmer, even though they were medium weight. I like these because they poof up so much they're good for putting my foot on, which is what I need right now. I'm looking at this thing on the chair in front of me. I have the iPad propped on a chair. It's just poofing by the second. I find these very soft and comfortable. They do get very, very full, but as you use them after a few weeks, they are going to lose some of this poofiness. So they're kind of average looking. The ones I've had for a couple of months now are kind of average looking. I love these pillows. You get two of them. I think it was $26 for two pillows, $25 for two pillows. They're really reasonably priced. There's this flat pillow again. This is the second pillow I got. That's what the other one looked like a minute ago. Can you see the difference there? Isn't it awesome? Anyway, I ordered a second set because they're awesome pillows to have, and because I really wanted something bigger than what I had to put my bad foot on top of. Boom, there it goes. There it's poofing up already. It is so cool to watch these poof up. I mean, they're worth buying just for the enjoyment of watching them poof up. Ta-da! That quickly. And this will continue to poof up over the next hour or so. I mean, it doesn't poof up like, the I Love Lucy episode where she was making bread in the oven. They're not going to get that much bigger than this. This one poofed up fast. Wow. But I really like these pillows. So the first set I have had and been using since January. And so I guess about a month. Actually, it's been about 6 weeks since I've had them. And I just love them. I have not washed them yet. What I did with the first batch and what I will do with these is I will hang them on my line. Right now it's sleeting today, so I can't hang them on my line. But I will hang them on my line as soon as even though it's cold out, just to get them to air out. The company is called Decor. And you're supposed to be able to machine wash and dry, made in USA, hypoallergenic outer fabric. And you can find them on Amazon. I'll put a link below. All right, I am due to get a fashion box any day now. It's all tops because I wouldn't be able to put trousers on easily over my surgical shoe, and I probably shouldn't be messing with things going over my foot right now. So I will give you a review of the fashion box when it comes. Other than that, check out these pillows on Amazon, and I'll see you soon.